If you are planning a kitchen remodel in Springfield, Missouri, one of the first questions you probably have is, how much do custom kitchen cabinets cost? The honest answer is that it depends, but that does not mean the pricing should feel mysterious. In this video, we'll break down what actually affects custom cabinet pricing, what homeowners should ask before comparing quotes, and how to think about cabinet cost as part of the full kitchen remodel. First, remember that custom cabinets are not a one-size-fits-all product, so two similar-sized kitchens can have very different prices. Kitchen size matters because more linear feet of cabinetry, more cabinet boxes, and more doors mean higher material and labor costs. Upper cabinets, lower cabinets, island cabinets, and pantry cabinetry all contribute differently to the final price. Specialty storage options and built-ins add complexity and can increase both materials and installation time. A lower quote may simply include fewer features, lower grade materials, or exclude important items like trim or soft close hardware. Next, ask about the cabinet boxes, since the box material affects durability more than the visible door style. Plywood cabinet boxes with solid backs and sturdy shelving generally perform better over time than particle board options. Cabinet interiors also matter for shelf strength, moisture resistance, and long-term durability in Missouri homes. Door style changes cost because more detail or custom profiles require more labor and finishing time. A simple shaker door usually costs less than a detailed raised panel, glass front, or inset door. Style should match your home, the kitchen design, and what you will still like in 5 to 10 years. Finishes also affect price because paint, stain, glazing, two-tone layouts, and specialty techniques require different labor and materials. A painted finish can need more preparation and custom spraying, while a stained natural wood finish emphasizes grain and may use different sealers. Think about durability and cleaning when choosing a finish, since kitchens see a lot of everyday use and Missouri humidity can matter. Storage upgrades like deep drawer bases, pullouts, and built-in organizers often increase cost, but add major daily value. An example, placing a deep drawer base near the stove for pots and pans can make cooking faster and justify the extra investment. Hardware choice and soft close mechanisms add small costs, but improve the daily experience and long-term performance. Installation complexity affects the final price because uneven walls, plumbing, electrical, or structural changes take extra time. A useful quote should clearly list what is included, what is optional, and what could change the price during the project. Before comparing quotes, ask about box construction, door material, finish process, hardware, delivery, and installation details. Also, ask how change orders are handled and what typical unexpected costs homeowners see during a remodel in Springfield. To budget roughly, smaller kitchens with simpler layouts and standard materials may start lower, while islands, pantries, high-end woods, and specialty finishes raise costs. If you want a focused next step, gather measurements, decide on must-have storage features, and ask for at least 2 detailed, itemized quotes. A clear quote helps you compare apples to apples and reduces the chance of surprises during your Springfield kitchen remodel. If you have questions about materials, finishes, or what to include for the best long-term value, consult with a local cabinet expert early in the process. Thanks for watching, and if you are planning a remodel in Springfield or nearby communities, use these tips to get clearer, more useful cabinet quotes.